Good day everyone. I'm Clint Dandil D. Ronkis and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss about sparse matrix. So what is sparse matrix? A sparse matrix is a matrix that allows special techniques to take advantage of the large number of zero elements. Sparse matrix representations can be done in many ways. Following are two common representation: array representation and linked list representation. In array representation, two-dimensional array is used to represent a sparse matrix in which there are three rows named as row, column, and value. Row, index of row where non-zero element is located. Column, index of column where non-zero element is located. And value, value of non-zero element located at index, row, and column. And linked list representation, in linked list, each node has four fields. These four fields are defined as row, column, value, and next node. In row, index of row where non-zero element is located. In column, index of column where non-zero element is located. Value, value of non-zero element located at index, row, and column. And next node, address of the next node. So this is the example of how we present the array representation to sparse matrix, which are three rows named as row. So row, column, and value. So here, this is the index column and this is the index row. So here we will find the non-zero element. So in index row 0, the index column 2, the element 3 was there. So in row 0, column 2, the value is 3. So next is index row 0, in column index column 3, the value is 4. So row 0 in column 3, the value is 4. Then index row 0 in column 6, the value is 8. So row 0 column 6, value is 8. So since we find all the non-zero element in index row, now we will proceed to index row 1. In index row 1, in column 0, the value is 5. So row 1 in column 0, the value is 5. So same process, we need to find all the non-zero element. So row 1 in column 2 and column 1 and the value is 2. So row 1 in column 1, value is 2. In row 1 and column 5, value is 3. Row 1 column 5, value is 3. So next is row 1 column 6 and value is 2. Row 1 column 6, value is 2. Next is index row 2. Index row 2 and in row in column 1 the 6th element was there, so in row 2 column 1 the value is 6. Row 2 column 1 value is 6. So as you can see, I have already collect all the non-zero elements. So here I have already collect all the non-zero element. So I will just read all the non-zero element. So in row 2 column 3 value is 7. Row 2 column 6 value is 1. Row 2 column 7 value is 9. In row 3 column 2 and value is 8. In row 3 column 3 value is 5. Row 3 column 4 value is 6. Row 3 column 6 value 2. Row 4 column 0 value is 1. Row 4 column 3 value is 3. Row 4 column 6 value is 8. Row 4 column 7 value is 2. In row 5 column 0 value is 4. In row 5 column 1 value is 3. And row 5 column 2 value is 8. In row 5 column 5 value is 3. And lastly in row 5 column 6 value is 5. So that's all. So since we finished to the array representation, now we will proceed to the sample program 6x8 sparse matrix using CPP Droid. So this is the example program. Here in line 5 we have an integer array with an element size of 6 for rows and 8 for columns. In line 6, this is a memory location where we store our values for row, column, and value. Here in line 8, we will print and enter the array values, and it will ask the user to input the array values, and we will use for loop for our row equals 8, row less than 6, and row plus plus. In line 11, we will input the array values, and we will create a for loop for our column equals 0 to initialize the loop, and column less than 8, which the condition for our loop, and row plus plus, which is incrementing the loop. In line 14, we will print the array value of row and column, and we will scanf function to get the value from the user. So to print array elements in matrix form, we will create for loop for our row, and we will create for loop for column, and after that we will print the array value for our for row and column. So next, to print non-zero elements in matrix form, we will create for loop for row and for loop for column, and if the value is not equal to 0, then the value will be printed. Lastly, to print the array elements in triplet form, same process. We need to create for loop for row and column, and if the value is not equal to 0, then the value will be printed. Now, we will see the output of this program. We will save this project before compiling. So, we will input the values. So this is the output of sparse matrix elements, non-zero sparse elements, and the triplet form, which is row, column, and value. That's all. Thank you for watching and God bless.